Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group, and this is the weekly recap number 66. This is the first trade of the week. This was GBP JPY with a nice consolidation in the middle. And these are the results. We have a fake out from the top, 27 pips. This was not as good as 1-to-1, but after 20 pips, it is considered a win in our books. So this went 27 pips to our side, and it all depends on how you took it. If you took it from the retest of the zone, then you got an amazing risk reward, and you got that one even better than we did. Following that, the next day, we have another nice consolidation. This is GBP JPY also. Again, very similar to the previous one. Price consolidating before the breakout. Let's see what happened. These are the results. Oh, we had news that day. Okay, this is why we didn't trade this until after the fact. We did this right here would have been a beautiful fake out to take, but we did not take that again because it was news. So we didn't do anything with news. After news, we had a breakout, retest, beautiful 65 pipper for 1 pip drawdown. Let's go to the next one. Next day, again, this was news also. This was related to news, interest rate news. This went up 350 pips. Powerful move. And now we're getting a retracement, trying to figure out if this is going to be a pullback to then crash or crush through the top or crash to the downside. These are the results as we got them. It continued coming down. This orange line right here we were doing this live actually. And this line right here denotes the area of entry that I took. But for the rest of the team, waiting for it to break out and retest, we had a 66 pips to the downside, 0 drawdown, beautiful, beautiful trade. Okay, let's go to the next day. We have JPY again. As you can tell, this is one of my favorite trades, pairs to trade. And we have a clear reversal of the entire move, right? This whole moves of news right here was corrected. And now we have price consolidating, perhaps because of an area of demand. We may see a bounce to the upside. Let's see what happened. Sure enough, we have a bounce to the upside. We have a breakout. We have a retest. 0 drawdown on this one. This was 63 pips. It's not marked there, but I did mark it down in my journal. That is a 63 pipper right there. Following, we got this nice consolidation. Again, this is gold. Nice consolidation on gold. Waiting for a move to the up or to the down. Let's see what we got. We got a beautiful breakout, and some folks took that breakout and made some money on it. I did not. And I consider this a loss simply because, again, it failed the retest. Now, this was a beautiful fake out to the bottom. I mean, a reversal that could have been easily taken. I do believe some people on the team took this, but I'm still considering this an L. Okay, because it did not retest. Beautiful breakout, no retest. Okay, that's an L. Okay, then we have this was last night. Gold had already fallen from this beautiful consolidation, and I'm expecting it to come back and retest here. This is what happened, 21 pips. This was a small loss for me. I ended up with a small loss here, and I'm considering this a break even because it did go 21 pips. If it comes back, which it did on the next move up, then it would have taken people out at a break even if they didn't take profit. And this is a good one to note because our execution is not always the best. You know, I always want to execute these at the zone, at the retest, and that would have been an easy win. But I did not. I waited for the break of the low, and I got burned for that. And then finally, the last trade of the week. This is a fake out to the top that was clear fake out. If you look left, you can see how there's all these rejections up here. I told the team ahead of time, look for a fake out at the top because I don't believe that this is going to be able to survive that action to the left. And these are the results following. It dropped and paid beautifully on the fake out, but I'm only counting the break and retest, which was a, so that would have been another win right there. In fact, our team took that. But I'm only going to count this one, okay? Breakout, retest. This was a deep retest, right? With a massive wick. This was a stop hunt right here. But stop loss goes below this one right here, okay? If you go to the higher time frame on the 1 hour, you can see it clearly. Or the 15-minute, you can see it clearly. The stop loss goes here, okay? And that was another win for 112 pips, breakout, retest. That was a beautiful 3-to-1. So the final numbers for the week. Our 333 pips won with 32 pip drawdown, 5 wins, 1 break even, 1 loss for a 71% win rate. And if all you did was take 1-to-1s, I mean, you can tell here obviously that there were many, many more pips than 1-to-1. But if all you did was took a 1-to-1, you still ended up with a 4% net gain. That makes it 22-2 for the year with 1 break even. We're having a fantastic beginning of the year, even though this week was a little slower. We had a lot of news happening this week, and so it became a lot slower week with very few setups to send out. Looking forward to the next week and a better week ahead, and the year is just starting, guys. It's going to be hot, hot, hot. Come join us at Tinte Profits. We have an amazing group, or Rivera Trading Group for the Spanish side. We have a great community, and we are crushing it. Come and join us. God bless you all. Bye-bye.